Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set a trailing stop loss right here in Delta Exchange. And I don't know why, but my chart is not working, but I can show you exactly how you can set a trailing stop loss. So first of all, I need to tell you verify your account. I didn't do that, but you need to verify your account to create a position. Then after that, we go right here to stop limit, where we can select right here a trailing stop. So right now, if you want to do a trailing stop, we can fill in right here the trail amount and then fill in right here the quantity. Then after that, click right here on buy position or buy, or you can do this right here for sell. So decide for yourself what you want to do. And then after that, click here on the blue button and then you created yourselves a position with a trailing stop loss. Right now, it's not possible for me to do that because I didn't verify my account on Delta. But when you verified your account on Delta, you can click right here. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.